So for number one, so this is 2-6, number one, you want to use that equals PMT. We're literally just copying it like it is, parenthesis, and then the monthly interest rate. Again, this is the whole problem. All right. So it says that the price of the home is $229,500, and the rate is 5% for a 20-year loan. So again, I was just putting in for that interest rate, I was just putting in 0.05, calling it a day, getting everything wrong. And it's because I have to divide it by 12. Okay. If you don't divide it by 12, you're going to get everything wrong. The number of payments, this is where I said you really got to know how many years it is in months. Okay. So a 20-year loan, again, if you put 20 in every single time, that's going to give you the wrong answer every time. You got to do 20 times 12 because you're making a monthly payment. Okay. And then the third thing is find, well, I guess I'm jumping ahead right now. The first question is to find the required down payment. So the required down payment is a little bit more straightforward. Sorry, I'm getting excited here. It's because the required down payment is you need 15% of that number. So you just have to multiply by 0.15. Sorry for kind of jumping the gun there. I got excited. And so just the down payment, you just need 50% of the value of the home, which when you multiply that by 15% is $34,425. Okay, so that's how much you are required to give the bank at the initial purchase of the home. Okay, so that's the down money. Okay, so now you're not going to borrow $229,000 because you already gave the bank $34,000. Okay, so the amount of the mortgage is $229,500 minus $34,425. Okay, so subtracting those, you get $195,075. Okay, so that's how much the actual mortgage is. Okay, that's how much you have to pay them back. That's how much you have to borrow over a 20-year time span. Now, this is where the function, the PMT function, so that monthly payment is that equals PMT in Excel or Google Sheets. Okay, so I'm going to jump back over there. So the mortgage is $195,000. So that's what will go, 195 and $75. And so my payment per month will be that right there. Now, what's really annoying about Excel is once you press enter or Google Sheets, it goes away. It doesn't show you. So what I've been doing is I put a little hashtag above it. They call it a comment in computer science. And I repaste it so that I can see why I got the value that I got. And so again, you got to divide by 12 right there. And you have to multiply by 12 for the years, converting it to months. Okay, so your monthly payment, again, it's doing a lot of things in the background for us, is $1,287. And I think it was 41 cents. So how much will they actually pay for their home? They're not only giving the bank $195,000. Remember, the bank is not nice. Okay, they are trying to make money. So they might be nice to you, but their goal is to make money. So if that's their payment per month, they have to make that payment every single month. For how many years? 20 years. So multiplying that all together, they get $308,978.08. Again, I did that and I'm like, why is my number not matching the answer key? Okay, and that's because you have to add that with how much you gave them down. I'm like embarrassed to say how much stress that caused me the past 4 days, because it's just, I wish it wouldn't have literally ruined a couple of my days. And so you have to add that to the down payment, which adding those together gives you $343,403.40. Or is it $403.08? The answer key says 40 cents. It's probably just a little bit off there. If I put it in Excel, it might have done 12 and 20. We'll see what it did. Like if I did that. And I multiplied by 12 and 20. No, would it give me the same 8 cents? Yeah, that's it. Not a huge difference there. Shouldn't be too different for us.